Hey there, folks. I went to the beach earlier. I had dinner. Let's do today's CSS Battle Daily Target, which is astoundingly straightforward. All right, what do we got? Today, what I see... Is it crazy that I see 5 elements today? Yeah, I see 5 elements today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each one is short. 10. 10. Okay. And then let's see. Nth child even. Is it most efficient? No, I'm not gonna let that bother me today. Width or margin 0, 100. Oh, so I want odd, don't I? Haha. Of course I want odd. All right. So let's put some margins on this guy, and let's put the proper color on the background. And let's go ahead and let's do 3, 4. Oh, what do we do? What do we got? We got something going on right here. All right, so let's put the correct color on the background on the element. Okay, so the height is more like 40 or something. Okay. 660? 60? No, that's not right. I need, what do I need? I need, what am I doing wrong here? Oh, I've got margins that are set here. Oh, so ridiculous. All right, 30. Okay, so before I set the margins, so margin inline, right? Not margin line, margin inline. No, that's not right. No, it's margin block. No, that's not right. I don't know what I'm doing wrong there. Margin. All right, so I've forgotten. There's tons of stuff that I've forgetting. 50, 66, 7, 8, 9. So 40, great. And the default ought to be this narrow version. 180, 82, 172, 177, 177. There it is. And then a height is going to be, so here's what we got so far. The height needs to be, what, 50? 50 maybe. 50 is correct. So this needs to be negative. Minus 2, 3, 4. Oh, and the last one is not as tall, is it? Oh, darn it. I like my idea of doing 5 elements, but it's not very efficient. In fact, I know it's not efficient at all. But I'm not gonna let that deter me. So let's set the margins. Let's set the margin of 40, 30, minus 40. Ugh. 2, 10, 1, 8. All right, it's all wrong. It's all wrong. It's all bad. I don't like any of this anymore. Forgive me. Let's do this in a whole different way. And the whole different way is conic gradients. All right, so let's go back to the nested template. So this is the body element and the HTML element. So here we put this pale color on this, and then the star is our body. We'll say background is this. Okay, so let's narrow this in. So this is what, 22, 30, 32. And then this number is 62, no, 55, no, 57. Okay, so here, that's our start. The first conic gradient. No, I hate this too. Oh, just not on my game. I think I'm doing this a little bit too late. So conic gradient. That is going to repeat on the x-axis. It's in the background position is 0, 0. The width is 200 pixels. The height is 100 pixels, and it's this dark color, 75% round, and then transparent. So that's roughly a thing. So I'm going to set no repeat on this. So how wide does it need to be? 17, 16, 15, 150, and then it's at 130 pixels, maybe 120. And then I'm going to say repeat X, and there it is. Then what? I feel like this. Well, what if we let it repeat? Oh, almost. I kind of like this way. Okay, so that nearly is doing what I want. So let's move this down, and we'll set the repeat X again. But I'm going to do this the lower one. So I'm going to move it down. 100 pixels. Okay. And the height is 80, 90. Ooh, intriguing. So we're nailing, I think I need the, 40 pixels tall? There it is. Okay, so now I'm going to let that repeat. And that almost works. Oh, I really want to like that. That gives us the majority of the shape. But it's not enough of the shape. It's just not enough of the shape. Wow. So what? That is not a pattern. That is frustratingly not a pattern. I'm so irritated. I'm irritated enough to do a clip path. So we start at 0, 20 pixels. To 100 pixels, 10 pixels, to 100 pixels, 0, to 120 pixels, 0, to 120 pixels, 10 pixels, to 100%, 10 pixels, and then 100%, 100%, and then 0, 100%. That clipped away some of this. So let's make that, what, 110? 120? 120? So what have I done? These numbers need to be more. 40, 50, and 150. So now we got the top part working. And we jumped the gun on this 100%, 100%. This needs to come down to, let's see, so 100%, 50%. And then down. So 100%, 50%, 100%, 50%, and then over. How about 200 pixels, 50%, and then 200 pixels, 100%. So that's how we shorten it. So what's the number? 2, 2, 3, 3, 35, 35. Yeah. I like this solution, and it's terrible. That's how much I like it. So this is going to be like what, 45? So 200, 100%, and then it's going to be 35 pixels, 100%, and then 35 pixels, 50%. And then 0, 50%. And submit. So one gradient, one clip path. It's got so much complexity that I kind of love it. I'm just not on my game today, admittedly. A strange solution, for sure, right? And then let's put, I'll put a red on the background. So that's the shape. So you can see that that's the actual clip path. Those are all the points, right? It's a lot of points. It's too many points. There's more ways to do this, but this is how we're doing it today. I appreciate you watching, even though sometimes these solutions are a little on the goofy side. I think they match my mood today. But that's okay. Tomorrow's another day, even when things are tricky and tough and tired. Go make a web page. Be good to yourself. Be good to each other. And let's be careful out there. Bye.